Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the depersonalization game on your PC. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. And once you search for it, now open up the first website of the Steam. And once you open the Steam website, just click on the login option you are seeing on the top. And now here, if you have an account, then just simply log into your account. And if you don't have, then just simply create one. Once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now here, just simply download the Steam and install it into your PC. This is very simple and easy process. Then just simply open up the Steam and click on the top search box and just type here the depersonalization. And guys, this game will show on the top. Just click on this game. Now guys, from here just scroll down and you will see the option of the add card. You can also download the depersonalization demo version. So just click on the add to library option if you want to play its demo. But if you want to buy it, click on the add to cart option and click on the view my card option. And now here click on the continue to payment option. And now here you have to just simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Then click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the game which is the depersonalization. Click on that and you will see the option to install it. This is how you can download and install the depersonalization on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and I will see you guys in the next video.